It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.